Hey guys, I'm Matt. This is MacBook Pro M5 Max 16-inch, 48 gigabyte, 2 terabyte, and you can see this is a new one, never opened. And let me show you the back. Okay, you can see the sticker. The sticker never opened. This also never opened. And let me show you the specification. This is the M5 Max chip, 48 gigabyte, the RAM, 2 terabyte, the storage, and the 60-inch. And this is LL. This is also a US version. And this one is very powerful. And this one has a huge warranty. And you can see the warranty. This one has 2,972 days warranty left. Okay, almost 8 years, 9 years. Yes, almost 8 years warranty. Okay, and this one, the price is this is the Chinese yuan, and this is the US dollars. Okay, if you want to buy this powerful machine, you can contact me. Okay, and let me show you one more time. This is the serial number, and you can see this is the serial number, the SIM number, and the warranty. Okay, 200, 2,972. Okay, this is a new machine. Okay, a powerful machine. Okay, this is you can see LL US version. Beautiful. Okay, this space gray, the color space gray. And then let me show you the box. Okay, no problem. The box. Okay, a powerful machine. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me. Okay, this is the price. Okay.